Life's been good, I can't complain so far. Designer clothes, expensive caviar, and gated homes to keep the wolves at bay. Tinted glass to hide my guilt and shame. Neon signs and vapors at the door. Broken values near those liquor stores. And won't somebody help me to believe? Help me to deny the things I see. Now whatever comes your way, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. When it all comes down, you make it through. You got the whole world around. You got the whole world around. Something tells me not to make a scene. Open up your heart and let me in. I've tried to fall in love to meet my own demise. Seems that everyone I know still wears the same disguise. Take me, rape me, push me down as long as I'm understood. Like the soldier's view from the bunkers to the towers at Park Avenue. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Something tells me not to make a scene. Open up your heart and let me in. You got the whole world around. You got the whole world